I'm here at Lenovo right now, and we're taking a look at the Lenovo Smart Screen. So this is a screen that is integrated with Google Assistant. So kind of like the Google Home Mini, except for with the screen. One of the nice things about this device is that it comes in at both 8-inch and 10-inch. And of course, you can probably see here, this is vertical and this is horizontal. So the device goes either way. A few neat things about this device is if you look on the side here, you'll see that it kind of is like an angle. So it looks like sort of a tablet that's been propped up, you know, with a case or something. The smaller size is in a light gray color, but the larger device here, you'll see if I turn it around, has a nice bamboo wood. So it's a little bit more streamlined, and it definitely has a nice look to it. One other feature that's kind of interesting is right here, you'll see that there's the ability to manually turn the camera off. So if you're concerned about security, or if maybe you've shut it off in the app, but you're not sure if it defaulted back to on, you can see this little red button right here that tells you that it is in fact off. So this device is integrated, as I said before, with Google Assistant, which means that it has all the functionality of Google Assistant, just like the Google Home Mini. So if I were to say, hey Google, good morning, it should start up and give me my morning routine, which I can customize in the Google Assistant app. So there's a lot of great things about this device that work well. For example, you can, it already integrates with Nest. You also can set it up via some third-party applications to control all of your home devices, smart switches, smart lights, anything that you might want to control. This will be available in summer, probably around July. The smaller device is $200, and the larger device will be on sale for $250.